So today I'm going to be cooking the meatball and mushroom stroganoff with cauliflower mash. This is our modern take on a classic Russian dish, the stroganoff. And at the end, as usual, I'll share with you a small tip that's going to make this extra fast. So let's get cooking. Add the beef mince, garlic paste, Worcestershire sauce, Dijon mustard, salt and pepper to a bowl. Then with clean hands, knead the mixture well until soft and fully combined. Shape into small meatballs. You can refrigerate them as well. Now peel and finely chop the brown onion. Clean and slice the mushrooms and chop the cauliflower. Cook the cauliflower in boiling water for 15 minutes or until soft. Drain well. Then you can return the cauliflower to the pan with the salted butter. Mash well with a potato masher or a fork and season generously with salt, and then keep covered until serving so it stays nice and warm. Meanwhile, heat a large non-stick pan over medium-high heat with a drizzle of olive oil. Once hot, you can add the meatballs and cook them for 1 to 2 minutes on each side until browned on the surface. They don't need to be cooked through at this point. Then transfer them to a plate and reserve the pan. Return the pan to a medium heat with a drizzle of oil if needed. Then add the onion and mushroom and fry with a pinch of salt for 7 to 8 minutes. Then you can add in the tomato paste and mix it in properly for about 2 minutes. Finally, add in the measured water and stock cube. Bring back to boil. Return the meatballs to the pan and simmer for 5 minutes or until the sauce has thickened and the meatballs are cooked through. Finally, fold in the cream cheese. Here you can check the seasoning and add some black pepper if you want. Serve the meatballs stroganoff over the cauliflower mash and enjoy. And so now for the tip. After you've chopped all your onion and if you're running out of steam or running out of time, your tip is to not chop the mushrooms, but just rip them, just like this. See? Fast. Done. Wow, that was really fast and fun to prepare. I hope you're gonna enjoy a lighter take on a typically hearty and meaty stroganoff. I can't wait to dig in. If you wanna see more of these kinds of fast beef recipes, you'll find them here. But for now, bon appetit, so I'm gonna try.